If you are a researcher, you know how much time taking it is to make a research presentation, and you often stress out. Therefore, in today's video tutorial, you will learn how to quickly and easily make a research paper presentation using AI tools for free. Suppose this is a research paper you want to present in your lab among your colleagues or to your supervisor. The easiest way is to put AI to work and generate presentation content for you. I personally like Gemini as it generates better response, but you can also try ChatGPT or Copilot. The most important thing for using AI tool is writing a great prompt for getting desirable content for your presentation. So here I asked the tool to search this particular paper. I clearly mention it to generate bullet point summaries along with necessary details. I want speaker notes for a PhD level presentation. I want language to be simple yet scientific. You can see how perfectly it is generating content for your research paper presentation slides. You get section-wise summaries including introduction, materials and methods with sufficient details, results with numbers. It also prepares speaker notes that will help you frame and prepare your delivery speech. At last, you can see some additional notes for making presentation. It says you should maintain clear and concise style, include graphs, figures, and tables in the slides as required, highlight limitations of the study, and also prepare for the possible questions audience might ask you. The AI tools generate a basic presentation content for you. You can copy this AI generated content to the Microsoft Word for modifications. You can edit or modify the content as per your need and understanding. If you want, you may go through the paper to modify the content as required. So here is the modified content. You can shorten the bullet points to make the presentation slides look neater. Now that your presentation content is ready, just copy it to the Microsoft PowerPoint to make a presentation out of it. It will not take much of your time. You can also use Canva tool for making presentation slides. You can watch this video on how to make PPTs using AI for more details. The link is given in the description below. I usually prefer Microsoft PowerPoint, but you may definitely try Canva. So this is how your presentation looks like when you add the content. You can also choose from various available designs to make it visually attractive. Presentations are incomplete without figures, tables, and other data visuals. You can use them from the paper for your presentation. For instance, I want to use this figure alongside the results. Now that our presentation formatting is done, let's see how our presentation looks like. After preparing the presentation, now it's the time to prepare for the presentation speech. You can see Gemini AI tool has provided the outline for preparing your presentation speech, what you should speak about in each particular section. Also remember to think about the tips provided as additional notes by the AI tool. This video will help you especially if you are a beginner. You can always play around and write better prompt to get more suitable content for your research paper presentation. If you like the information, do share it with the ones who need it. Do check out my other useful videos on AI tools, research and publishing, techniques, markers, plant tissue culture, and lot more. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.